Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we're going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter R. Ravage. This means to destroy or damage something badly. Example: the village was ravaged by the crisis. The car was ravaged by the accident. Recluse. This means a person who likes being alone and usually avoids other people. A person who lives alone. Example: the recluse life of a monk. Receptacle. This is a large container for putting things in. Example: a receptacle for the company's waste. Recalcitrant. This means disobedient to rules and regulations, not willing to obey rules or follow instructions. Example: the recalcitrant students were suspended from the school. Recondite. This means not known or understood by many people. Example: this is a recondite point of law. Recuperate. This means to feel better and healthy after an illness or sickness, to recover from a sickness. Example: James is gradually recuperating from his surgery. It also means to recover money you have spent or lost. Example: the company is here to recuperate its last expenses. Refute. This means to prove something wrong, to say that something is not true, to deny something. Example: the chairman refused the allegations against him. Regent. A regent is a person who rules a country or a kingdom because the king or queen is too young or too old or too sick to rule. Example: he is a regent ruler. Reek. This means to smell strongly of something unpleasant. Example: her body reeks of alcohol. He reeks of cigarettes. Refractory. This means of a person behaving badly and difficult to control. Example: I couldn't live with her refractory children. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Recoup. This means to get back an amount of money that you have spent or lost. Example: Billy is yet to recoup her initial investments. Reimburse. This means to give back to somebody money that they have spent or lost. Example: the company has not yet reimbursed the committee. Reiterate. This means to repeat something that you have already said, especially in order to emphasize it. Example: the board reiterated its demand at the last general meeting. Rend. This means to tear something apart using force or violence. Example: she rent her dress in anger. Renege. This means to fail to fulfill a promise, to break a promise or an agreement. Example: she reneged on their initial agreement. She is heartbroken because her fiancé reneged on his promise of marriage. Replicate. This means to copy something exactly. Example: we could not replicate their performance. She is replicating the artwork. Retard. This means to slow down the growth or development of something. Example: the doctor claimed that the drug is capable of retarding the aging process in humans. Retarded plans. Revile. This means to criticize somebody or something in a way that shows how much you dislike them. Example: she was reviled for supporting the protesters. Rescind. This means to officially end a law, a contract, or a decision. Example: he urged the court to rescind the contract for being illegal. Rind. This is the outer skin of some types of fruits like oranges and lemons. Example: get rid of the orange rind on the table. Ruinous. This means very expensive, costing a lot of money. Example: she could not afford the ruinous charges. Ruinous car brand. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.